I won't even go into how bad the conditions are at the ICE detention facilities. There are plenty of pictures and articles online if you can stomach it. But if you're going through it, just keep in mind, these are people being subjected to these conditions. What I will say though, is if you or a loved one know anyone that gets placed in ICE detention facility, I want to discuss the ways you get out of all this. So they're going to be detained while they're waiting for court. Wow, how'd I get here? Well, you go to court because you're owed due process. That's true for anyone on American soil, regardless of their status. But please don't think you're safe just because you have a green card or you're a US citizen. ICE has deported US citizens in the past, and they often make green card holders go through the immigration process to see if their green card should be revoked. Now, there are 4 common ways in which a person gets out of ICE detention. The first one is parole, which is when the Department of Homeland Security and ICE temporarily authorize you to be out and about in the United States. The second most common option is bond. That is where you post a certain amount of money paid to the Department of Homeland Security in order to assure your release. Now, this can be either done through ICE or through the immigration court. Assuming the first 2 don't work, you can always try to win your case, which is if you have a really good asylum claim or if you have any sort of relief while in immigration court. And the last one is voluntary departure, which is where the government allows you to return back to your home country voluntarily without having a deportation order on your record. It's a little more complicated in terms of timing and eligibility, but it is an option. Look, overall, we acknowledge the system is not fair by any means, but that is why attorneys such as myself and others are here to help guide you through it.